Hello, my name is Mrs. Brody, and I will be your student's 8th grade English ESL teacher. I am super excited about this year. I believe that despite all the things that we are going through, that we can have a great year. My name is Mrs. Brody, and as you see on the screen here, this is a cartoon rendering of myself. Um, To start off with, if you would like to reach me, mom and dad, or students, you can contact me, send me an email at jbrode@neisd.net. That's jbrode@neisd.net. If you'd like to call, you can call the office at 210-356-4400. That's 210-356-4400. That is the front office, and they will get me a message and I will call you promptly. So in this picture, this is a snapshot of some of my favorite things. You will see my two dogs, Raven the German Shepherd and Allie the Pug. And in the upper left-hand corner, you see a collage of my family and some of my most favorite things, chocolate, Starbucks, as well as the coffee and Diet Dr. Pepper on the desk. But some of my most favorite things are teaching your children. And I want you to know that while, yes, things are different, that we here at Jackson are striving and working hard to make this as inviting and engaging for the students, as well as safe as possible, to help make you parents feel you can rest easy knowing that we are trying our hardest to make this the safest environment as possible. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. You will see here that this is my district webpage. And if you want to get a little bit more information about me, you can see me here on the district webpage. You can access that through NEISD or through the Jackson website. This is a thumbnail of a picture of myself, a little information about myself, the phone number and email, and my degrees and certificates. Here you will see in the right, this is the schedule, the AB schedule, and then some class announcements. These are some really important announcements. You may want to go and click on these links that will take you to more information. The class expectations, students, you'll want to read these. Parents, you'll want to read these and be aware of that. These are the expectations that we have for the students, how they are to act in a Zoom, during Zoom instruction. Here is accessing the Google Classroom. And I will, on Friday, be sending out to parents and students an invitation to Google Classroom, and you will find that in your emails. Students, if you will make sure that you click on that link, accepting the invitation, and that will automatically take you into the Google Classroom. This will give you information about it. Go ahead, if you click on this link here, it will bring you to more information about accessing the directions, accessing information. This is in English and in Spanish. As well, you look here at the tutoring times, you'll see that we have tutoring Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of every week between 2 and 4, and that is virtual. In the Google Classrooms, you will see that there is a virtual tutoring link. But let's go ahead and look at that and what that might look like. So, students, parents, as you look at your email, you receive the invitation to accept for Google Classroom. The student is going to click on that link, and that's going to give them access to the classroom. After that, you're going to always come to Launchpad. That the students are going to go into Launchpad. So here I'm in the Launchpad that the students will see. They will click on it here. And it will take them to all of their apps that they have that they can utilize. From here, they will click on here you've got Zoom. You can click on that. My suggestion, though, is to always be clicking on the link in the Google Classroom. So you go to Google Classroom, click here. Here is the waffle. Click on the waffle, Google Classroom. You will then go into Our Classroom. I'm going to just look at this 8th period. So this is what the inside of Google Classroom looks like. You have the stream. So this is just each assignment, one after the other, without any rhyme or reason. I'd like you to go to the class work. This is broken down into different framework. You've got daily required exit tickets, daily writing digital notebook, daily interactive notebook, daily Zoom meeting, helpful links, daily recorded lesson, Mrs. Brody's tutoring, Zoom link, test, quizzes. Okay, so you will need to make sure that you click on this daily Zoom meeting. There will be a Zoom link here. You will click on that, and that will take you into the meeting. Also, this daily interactive notebook is the general notebook. This is the one that you will be writing in. Also, very important, parents, students, that you are doing each daily exit ticket, because this is how we'll be tracking that you are on Google Classroom, you're in the Zoom, and that you are doing the required work. You must access it, complete the exit ticket, and submit it, mark it as done daily, timely, to be marked present. If not, you'll be marked absent. So very, very important. Also, tutoring Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for Mrs. Brody. I will tutor you in English. However, if you have questions about other classes, and you're not able to get help from that teacher, I'll be happy to help you. You have tests and quizzes. So this is what Google Classroom looks like. Grades will show up here. Your fellow students will be here. Very important to know to complete the work and submit it, mark it as done. Okay, so boys and girls, parents, very excited for this school year. That concludes our Meet the Teacher. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I look forward to hearing from you. I will respond to your emails in a timely manner, and I look forward to seeing everyone. Thank you and have a good day.